Hey guys, my name's Josh and welcome to Dallas Harley-Davidson. Today I'm going to tell you about my favorite Sportster and why you should not only consider it, but you should buy this motorcycle. You see, the 2019 Roadster is made completely different from the other Sportsters in our line. This one comes with dual disc front brakes. You've got a 19-inch mag wheel that's lighter than our other Sportsters. In the back you've got an 18-inch wheel. This one has 6 inches of ground clearance, which is going to give you over 30 inches of lean angle on both sides, allowing you to really carve up the canyons. Comes with mid controls, lower bars. It's really going to put you in an aggressive riding position. Over 4 inches of suspension travel on the front with the inverted forks. Comes with 2-up seating, so you can always take somebody along for the ride with you. Again, thanks guys. Come see us and this motorcycle here at Dallas Harley-Davidson.